There are numerous products available to motorcycle helmets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive exploration, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best motorcycle helmets from estimable brands. Later, much exploration, I set up these products, much helpful for people like you. However, be sure to check my description, so without any further detention, let's jump into the videotape. If you want to know about the price and other information. Number 1. BLD Personalized Motorcycle Full-Face Helmet Men-Women Fashion Dual-Lens Helmets Motocross Racing Modular Flip-Up Casco Moto. The BLD Personalized Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet combines style, safety, and functionality for both men and women riders. This helmet features a dual-lens design, providing a clear primary visor and an integrated sun lens for optimal visibility in varying light conditions. Its modular flip-up feature allows easy transition between full-face protection and open-face ventilation, making it versatile for motocross, racing, and daily rides. Fashion-forward and customizable, it lets you personalize the look while ensuring comfort and safety. Constructed with durable materials for impact resistance and equipped with ventilation, this helmet meets the needs of modern, style-conscious motorcyclists. Number 2. Casco Capacetes Double Dual Lens Helmet Motorcycle Helmet Full-Face Helmets Downhill Racing Helmets Motor Fiat's Helm. This double dual-lens full-face motorcycle helmet is designed for ultimate protection and style on the road. Suitable for both motorcycle and downhill racing, it offers full-face coverage for maximum safety. The dual-lens design provides a clear view, with an internal sun visor that's easily adjustable for changing light conditions. With a durable outer shell and impact-absorbing inner padding, it meets safety standards for reliable head protection. The helmet is well ventilated for comfort, making it ideal for long rides. Sleek and aerodynamic, this helmet is perfect for motorcyclists and racers seeking style, protection, and performance in one package. Number 3. Motorcycle Helmet Children Off-Road Helmet Bike Downhill AMDH Cross Helmet Capac Motocross Casco. This children's off-road motorcycle helmet is designed for young riders tackling motocross, downhill biking, and AMDH trails. Built with sturdy, lightweight materials, it offers top-notch protection while remaining comfortable for kids. Its robust construction meets safety standards, ensuring impact resistance for rough terrains and high-speed rides. Ventilation systems keep the rider cool, while the interior padding provides both comfort and shock absorption. This helmet's adjustable fit grows with your child, making it perfect for long-term use. With its dynamic style and safety features, it's an ideal choice for young riders seeking adventure with reliable head protection. Number 4. DIOT Certification Uchoose Motorcycle Helmet Double Lens Cross-Section Helmet Safety Modular Flip Helm Unisex Helmet with Visor. The DIOT certified Uchoose motorcycle helmet combines safety, style, and functionality in a versatile design. This modular helmet features a durable shell with DIOT certification, ensuring top-notch protection for riders. It includes a double lens system with a clear outer visor and an integrated inner sun visor for adaptable vision in varying light conditions. The flip-up design offers the convenience of an open-face helmet, while ventilation helps maintain comfort on long rides. Designed for both men and women, this helmet is suitable for multiple riding styles, providing comfort, safety, and sleek aesthetics for riders of all experience levels. Number 5. Full-Face Racing Helmets Winter Warm Double Visor Motorcycle Helmet Motorbike Sports Helmet. The full-face racing helmet is designed for ultimate safety and comfort in winter conditions, ideal for motorbike and motorsport enthusiasts. Featuring a double visor, this helmet provides excellent visibility while protecting against glare and UV rays with its tinted outer visor and a clear inner visor for low-light conditions. Its full-face design offers complete coverage, enhanced with warm padding to keep you comfortable during colder rides. The helmet is crafted for durability and aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance and noise, while the snug fit ensures stability at high speeds. Perfect for winter riding, it's both functional and stylish. That is all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need further information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay streamlined with our cool products, as it'll make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.